sell you the illusion of ethics, but the scales never lie. They told you everything: where the shirt was made, how much the worker was paid, and even the shipping cost. You felt a moral tickle in your heart, didn't you? You paid happily because you were buying justice. See, for example, The Wing, a feminist workspace founded to empower women, only to discover that its black employees were deeply racist, ultimately leading to its financial collapse. Or Tom's Shoes. You buy a pair of shoes and we donate one to a poor child. Great idea? The real result was flooding local markets in poor countries and destroying the livelihoods of local shoemakers. Even Allbats, which started with sustainable wool shoes, ended up trying to become an AI company to save its stock. What on earth is going on here? The problem isn't the intentions of companies. The problem is the system. Capitalism makes it impossible to build globally ethical company. The average American consumer alone throws away 37 kilograms of clothing every year, and large corporations like H&M have burned billions of dollars worth of inventory just to maintain their market value. The blunt truth that no one wants you to hear is this: there is no such thing as 100% ethical consumption under this system. The game is designed to push you towards overproduction and overconsumption, then sells you self-satisfaction as an added bonus. So, do we just give up and buy everything from Shein and Amazon and let the planet burn? Of course not. The solution isn't shopping our way to justice. The solution is to decapitalize our minds a little. Look at Copenhagen. They solved their stormwater problem with public green spaces, local, natural, and inexpensive solutions. The hope isn't in the store. The hope is in the circular economy, in reducing consumption, supporting local alternatives, and building smaller communities that swap and repair what they have. Always remember, brands sell you feel good in exchange for your money to keep you buying. Save your money, buy less, and think more. See you in the next deal. Meow.